Okay, so for number 4, it says try this. We've got an isosceles triangle, so it has two congruent sides. Unlike our other triangles, it does not have a right angle. But I noticed something. If I cut this guy directly in half, I have two congruent right triangles. So whenever I'm finding area with the rectangle method, I want to find the easiest way to make a rectangle. So if I take one of these guys, I think this is going to work. Let's see. And I flip him upside down and backwards. Oh, check that out. I can move this guy here and flip him over, and I end up with a rectangle. So let me see. It's 1.5 by, it goes all the way up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. All right, so I'm going to count this whole rectangle, and I don't have to cut it in half because I've actually just moved this one here. So all this area is going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two halves together make 5. These two halves together make 6. Well, I can see why this one gets a little tricky because I have a half and a quarter. However, these are benchmark numbers for me. I know those because I know a half plus a quarter. A half is the same as 2/4. So a half and a quarter is 3/4. So I have a total of 6 and 3/4 squares.